Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Do you have an LG refrigerator and your filter light is flashing? That means it's time to change your filter. It's flashing, replace filter. Okay, you're gonna open your refrigerator. You don't have to turn the water off or anything. You're gonna press these little tabs. You're gonna turn this. This is how you replace the water filter. Just turn it to the left and it's gonna come out. There. Okay, so you're gonna need a new water filter. LG water filter ADQ747935. So this is what the new water filter looks like. It's approximately, overall, it's about 6.5 inches with, you're looking at about 2 inches. Now make sure you take the cap off when you get the new one. These are good for 6 months or 200 gallons. Okay, so you're gonna take the new one. Once the cap is off, you're going to kind of find the detent. You got to push up a little bit and then rotate it till it stops. Right there. See how it stops? Now we can push this up and it's ready to go. We got to do some fresh water rinsing. Now don't reset the light yet. Let's run some water through. You're going to get some air in it. It may kind of push out at you with some air and stuff. Let the air come out. So I'm going to dump this out and do about 3 more of those. Now it does say to dispense 2.5 gallons of water to remove trapped air and contaminants from the system. Okay, so now I've run a bunch of water through there. I don't have any air pockets. It's all cleaned out. Now I'm going to hold this button here for 3 seconds to reset the water filter replacement. All right, there, hit reset. And this is the model number of my LG refrigerator. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.